You're staring at a motorcycle that doesn't ask permission, and that right there is exactly why you clicked. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Nightster just hit American dealerships, and I'm breaking down everything: the engine, the ride, that jaw-dropping finish, and whether that price tag is justified. Buckle up. Let's start where it matters most: under the skin. The 2026 Nightster is powered by a 975cc liquid-cooled Revolution Max V twin engine, pushing out 91 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and a thick 72 pound-feet of torque at 5,750 RPM. Auto Evolution, that's not just a number on a spec sheet. That's a power band you feel in your chest every single time you crack the throttle open. Around 3,500 RPM, this motor really wakes up, and it keeps pulling hard all the way to redline. Kenny Quest, liquid-cooled means consistent performance whether you're crawling through downtown Houston traffic or hammering down Route 66 at speed. No heat soak, no excuses, just pure, mechanical fury on demand. Now let's talk about how this machine actually behaves on American roads. At 481 pounds wet with a low 27.1-inch seat height, the Nightster carries its weight low, centered, and completely under your control. Harley-Davidson, that's a game changer. Experienced riders notice it in the first corner. New riders feel confident from the very first mile. It rides low, leans hard, stays planted through traffic, and carves backroads with precision that honestly catches you off guard the first time you push it. Harley-Davidson, this is not a bike you wrestle with, it's a bike that works with you. Electronics. Harley didn't sleep on it. The Nightster comes standard with ABS, traction control, and drag torque slip control. Auto Evolution, 3 layers of smart safety tech that quietly work in the background, letting you ride harder with more confidence. Selectable ride modes let you dial in the throttle response to match your mood, the road, or the weather. On a rainy Tuesday in Chicago or a blazing Sunday afternoon in Phoenix, this bike adapts. Now, that visual presence. For 2026, the Nightster gets a standout blood orange trim package with exclusive flat track-inspired tank graphics, color-matched fenders, chrome exhaust shields, and 14-spoke black cast aluminum wheels. Harley-Davidson, and if you're drawn to something cooler and more refined, the dark billiard gray and vivid black finishes are genuinely stunning in person, with that deep metallic shimmer that photographs like a dream and looks even better under a clear sky. The blue-toned billiard gray has a depth to it that shifts in different lighting, sometimes slate, sometimes a rich, almost ocean-tinted coolness. It's sophisticated without being soft, bold without screaming. The blacked-out engine, blacked-out exhaust, chopped rear fender, side-mounted plate, and solo seat all work together to create one cohesive, aggressive silhouette. Harley-Davidson, that nods hard to Harley's Sportster legacy while planting both feet firmly in 2026. Let's land on price. The base Nightster starts at $9,999 MSRP, making it one of the strongest values in the sport cruiser segment right now. Kenny Quest, the Nightster Special, steps up to $12,499 and adds a full-color TFT display with navigation, cruise control, a mini fairing, and additional rider tech. Speedmaster US, whether you're a veteran rider ready to upgrade or someone stepping into their first serious American motorcycle, both price points deliver real-world value that's hard to argue with. Bottom line, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Nightster isn't trying to be everything. It's trying to be exactly the right thing for riders who want modern performance wrapped in genuine American character. And honestly, it nails it. If this video gave you the info you needed, smash that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe, because we've got more American iron coming your way every single week. Ride safe, keep the shiny side up, and we'll see you on the next one.